What's the most important thing you have? Even more than time, even more than money, even more than relationships? I'll tell you what, it's your reputation. Your reputation is huge. In my favorite book, it talks about a person's name being much more worth than riches. And here's the point. Reputation is something that takes time to build. Are you dependable? Are you trustworthy? Do you say what you do? Do you do what you say? These are the things that many times people think, well, that's not sexy. That's not the latest app. That's not the latest technology. What can that really do? The truth is it can do a ton. When you are faithful, when you are dependable, when your word is your bond, when you are trustworthy, that is priceless. That can't be bought. When people think of your name, do they think, man, I can absolutely trust that person? Or, you know what, that person has my back. That's the type of stuff that you cannot go out and get a degree in. So I want to challenge you. That is something that's built every single day. It's the unsexy discipline. It's the faithfulness. It's the dependability. Those types of components are huge. And listen, when there is a gap in integrity, when there is a mess up, when there's a drop the ball, when you get late for an appointment, when you forget to call somebody back, whatever, do you own it? Do you own it, or do you create a pattern? Listen, we're all human. We're all going to mess up. But the point is, do you close your gap? So I want to challenge you, before you get all the bells and whistles in your business, before you get the latest, greatest software, hardware, tech, tips, tactics, you name it, forego all of that and say, I'm going to build something that is free, which is my reputation, although it costs everything. This is Kary Oberbrunner. Be a soul on fire. If you need help with your reputation, if you've had a bad reputation, if you need to close some gaps, I want to challenge you. Join us for this live stream that we have coming. We're going to help you with all those things. Go to ignitingsoulsconference.com/2019. We have a live stream coming up, and we are going to show people how to make reputation part of their toolbox every single day, and how to outmaneuver competitors just based on that alone. Take care, everybody.